This is Paucarina. I'm Charles. We are in Paucarina Lodge. So would like to show you some kinds of chameleons. These are green one chameleons. Can you see? There's a baby one. It's not bigger one. Normally, when it's bigger one, can grow around 1 meters together with the tails. But normally, these kinds in every afternoon get close to the shore river to drink water, to looking for the small frogs. Normally, these animals get food from small frogs, some insects. At some time eat uh, some nectar from some flowers. Yeah, these are tails. Yeah. It's very cute. It's very, yeah. Say hello. Yeah. Yeah, it's moving.